In this video, I'll show you how to sell ByCoin on MEXC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. First thing you're going to want to do is open up and log into your MEXC account. If you don't already have a MEXC account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $8,000 in welcome and deposit bonuses. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to go right down here and tap on the trade icon. And from here, we're going to select our spot account. Once you're in your spot account, you're going to see right here where it says BTC USDT. You're going to tap on this arrow next to it. And we're going to search for Pi out of this list. You can do that by simply typing it in the search bar right there and look for Pi/USDT. Tap on it. From here, we're going to toggle sell since we want to sell our ByCoin on MEXC. Right here, make sure you select market. And right here where it says amount, you're going to enter in the amount of Pi that you want to sell into USDT. Once you've done that, you're going to go right over here and tap on Sell Pi. Another way you can sell your ByCoin on MEXC is by going right back over to the home page and tapping on More right here. And from here, you're going to look for Convert. Tap on Convert. Once you're on this page, under the From section, you're going to tap on this arrow. And we're going to look for Pi in this list below. If you don't see it, you can simply search for it in the search bar. Tap on Pi. And under the To section, we're going to go over here, tap on this arrow, and look for USDT. If you don't see it in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar. Tap on USDT, enter the amount of ByCoin you want to convert into USDT, preview conversion, confirm the transaction, and that's how to sell ByCoin on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.